Blocking his ass. Yes! Scratch that, guys. There are cops there trying to maneuver. Oh. Hello. Yeah, pretty interesting. There's only one cop, but they brought the chopper. All right. Let's put on this crappy 1995 MapQuest GPS check. Oh! I spoke too soon again. There's two cops now, not one. Whoa, shit, he's on the other side. Yes! Supercar suspects. Oh, I don't know if that was in focus, but sorry if that wasn't. Alright guys, we're probably at our final location here. It's getting a little ratchet. Here we go. Someone's brought a dog.
We got the dog vlog.
Dude, that is the dog vlog right there. Look at this. Dude, this redneck. It's got the biggest wind I've ever seen in my life. No way.
Farmers Casino.
Oh no, is it really?
Yep.
Oh, you're right. Oh, the casino, baby. Begun, guys. The storms are coming. The monsoon. Apparently, we're gonna go drifting with Alex Troy. Dude, we got a gas vlog going on here.
Let me get a photo with that.
Are they inside the store?
Two lady cops.
Oh, really?
Lady cops are the scariest.
Whoa!
Lady cops are ruthless.
They don't fuck
Like,
around.
They'll take you personally. If you're speeding, they take you personally.
Okay. Oh boy, the fuckboy crew never sleeps, baby. You guys gotta get on deck with this whole F-boy stuff, man. I'm telling you, don't take offense if you get called a fuckboy. Take pride in it. Accept your fuckboyness. Don't be afraid. It just never ends, guys. Hold on. Is he gonna? No. The rain's begun, guys. What the? Was that really necessary? Easy there, boy. It's not green yet. Oh. Oh shit! They go step. Oh my god, dude. Can you imagine like a fucking BHPD just like right around the corner? He goes, I've been waiting for this moment to pull all of you over at the same time. Oh my goodness. It's quiet on Rodeo Drive. Oh, it's too quiet. Look at a whole squad of fuckboys here. All lined up. Oh shit, I'm parked in the red. I'm gonna get a ticket. Dude, almost got pulled over by a cop. He was tailing all 4 of our cars. What do we got here? Hey! That tint, bro. Better watch out. The BHPD is on a... They're on a vengeance prowl right now, man. They're gonna pull over anybody and anything right now. Oh, parked in the red. Whoops. Might be a ticket, but don't worry about it. There we go. You have it too?
I stole it from a loaner car from BMW.
No way. Do you have it on right now? Yeah. Can I see it? Yeah. All right, we got the whole fuckboy squad.
My friend was.
Hold on. We gotta check this out, guys. M-Power. Yes! There it is. That's awesome. Just when you thought the meet was over, CDK meet. Might do some drifting here. Not in Beverly Hills, mind you. Too many cops. We'll play somewhere else. I got you guys. I got you guys. Oh my God. Hold on, guys. Time out. Check out the PT Cruiser limousine. Oh, wow. It's got the wheels chromed out. Look at that. Start on the night vision here. Oh yeah.
I'm surprised it like kind of fits in a parking spot.
Yeah. It's not that long, but
It's like a medium-sized limo.
heroic effort though. Weird finds in Costco parking lots at 4 in the morning. PT Cruiser limo. All right, he just retuned his car with a laptop. Whoa. A little sketchy.
I believe it worked.